Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove Google account from Android phone. So to do that, we are heading over to the settings option of our phone. And from there, you will find the accounts and backup on your Android. Head over there. And here go to manage accounts. Here you'll find all sorts of accounts of yours. It can be Google, Microsoft, WhatsApp, Telegram, any sort of account. So select the Google account you want to remove. And here you will find the remove account option. Tap on remove account and the account and just tap on remove account again to confirm the selection. And your account will be removed from your Android phone. So I want to make you know that removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from device. So make sure you keep that in mind and then remove your account. So yeah, this is how easy it is to remove your Google account from your Android phone. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.